Today we are currently on our way to meet with a client and pick up his down payment for his metal roof restoration. They've been experiencing leaks that have been gradually worsening over the past few years, and so they reached out to us and we've been able to build a relationship with them and really zone in on a system that's going to best fit his investment. Metal roofs can last for decades if they're installed properly. They just need a little love along the way, and this roof is a prime example of that. Well, we always joke that Mother Nature might like to travel, but there's no doubt she's a Colorado native. This week's a prime example of that. It's March 10th, 2021. It's a sunny, beautiful day. And then at the end of the week, the forecast calls for a snowpocalypse. Freezing temperatures with over 20 inches of snow. We'd be totally comfortable wearing shorts on this roof today. And then fast forward 72 hours, there's going to be snow piled higher than our knees. It's a 50,000 square feet surface that's facing directly at the sky. The metal itself can handle the abuse, but it's the thousands of screws, the rubber flashing, the sealants, the seams. Those are the things that can't keep up. If you take all the variable weather conditions and compound the years of abuse that they give this roof, the intense UV exposure, the temperature swings, the rain, the sleet, the snow, the hail, and then all of the expansion and contraction that comes along with it, parts of this roof assembly are just going to flat out wear down. The nice part is that as long as we can check all the right boxes during the initial roof inspections, roof coatings are a great way to address a beaten down roof and then hit the reset button on its lifespan.